Hello everybody, another video here for you today. This video is about when you're installing Windows 10 and you do not want to use an online account. You don't want to enter in your email or create a Microsoft email. You don't want to do any of that. You just want to use the local offline account. They used to have a small, like at the bottom there would be a small link that would let you do an offline account, but they don't have that anymore in the last version of Windows installation that I saw. So but you can also do this, of course, easily by not being connected to the internet at all when you install. But I like to get some of the updates out of the way when we are installing. So from the USB I'm using, I've installed it. I unplugged it for a second when I remembered to do this video. Sorry for the bad camera work. I'm using my phone to do this. So I have the internet installed like that. And so once we get to this point, let's start with region. That means it's doing the setup. So I've had it installed and I've gotten the updates that I want. And so then you just unplug it. And then you continue with the setup. US keyboard layout. No second keyboard layout. No, we don't want to connect to a network because we don't want to have to do your setup the way you want us to, Microsoft. Got no problem with Microsoft other than the fact that they don't make it easy to use an offline account. They want to be involved with it. They want you to be online and they want to be involved with it. So you go down here where it says I don't have internet, and this was similar to where the create an offline account instead is. And so it says I don't have internet, and they're like, but this is what you can get if you log in the way we want you to log in. You can get this stuff with the full setup. You don't have that, you don't have this, you don't have that, you don't have that. You don't need any of that. Continue with limited setup, and there you go. And so then see, you don't need to put in your password or anything. I don't know who the user will be for this, so I just put in temp. Sorry, you can't see it on the screen that well. And enter. And no password. And that's it. At this point, you can plug in your internet cable again. And you are all good to go. I appreciate your views. Thank you so much for that. You can get me to schedule a financial coaching consultation for free at fpusteve@gmail.com. Almost forgot about Google. fpusteve@gmail.com. That stands for Financial Peace University, which I have led 2 classes of so far, and then I've just got busy with work, so I haven't done another one yet. I will in the future though, because I very strongly believe in it. Make smart money decisions and have fun installing Windows.